Hi and welcome. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. The weather is not as nice on the day of recording. Maybe on the day of upload it's going to be way nicer. So let's jump in today's video. How to add a snow effect or frosty effect onto a picture in Photoshop. This effect works the best on pictures with a lot of green, like grass, trees and stuff. So to begin with, we're going to add a black and white adjustment layer. So let's click here and then black and white. And then we're going to change the blending mode to luminosity. So let's click here. So here we're going to change the value to -10. The yellow, we're going to change it to 150 and the greens to 110. And now we're going to add a new adjustment layer and then we're going to click on hue and saturation. And here we're going to click on master and we're going to pick out yellow. In the saturation box, we're going to enter -95. In lightness, we're going to add +95. And here you can see that the frosty effect starts to show. But we have one step to go and then we are finished. Let's click back on yellow and now let's choose green. And now let's enter the same values again. -95 and 95 here. And for the cabin, we could add some red. So let's go to red. And here we're going to enter around 50 and lightness around 10. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like so it can spread to more people. A subscription would be frosting. See you in the next one and take care of yourself.